So welcome to my Leetcode solving session. And before in the previous video, we already give a solution to this binary tree in order. So I want to say about is that if the tree is a binary search tree, then the binary tree in order will give you a strictly increasing array. Okay, so this is important. And then this question called Kth Smallest Element in the binary search tree. So basically, you want to return its Kth Smallest Element. And I already said that given a binary search tree, if you use the in order, then you will get a strictly increasing array. So basically, you can just do the in order search for a BST tree, and then you return the Kth element. You should just return the k minus 1 element, because when k is equal to 0, k equals to 1, that means you should return the index 0 element. Okay, so basically in order just means that you first go to the left, and then you append the roots, and then you go to the right. Okay, so basically this is the in order function, and I create a global L. Then once I run a self helper roots, then it will give my L. Give you L. So in this case, we just copy the original code. So up to here is this L is just the list of in order. So in for example, in this case, it will produce 1, 2, 3, 4. So let me run a code for you guys to see the L. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is the in order list. Then if suppose we want to find k equals 1, then we just return the k minus 1 indices. So remember that L is already sorted. L is already sorted because this is a binary search tree, so we can run it. Okay, so it's very happy that we solve it. Okay, and that's it. I will see you guys in other videos.